Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 8, 8 Plus. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it. And let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. And once your phone hits the Apple logo, then you can let go. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 8, 8 Plus has been soft resetted. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That'll be all. Roll the outro.